So currently we are on day 2 of our 5-day cruise on the Carnival Paradise. As you can see, the skies are starting to clear up. It was kind of a cloudy, not stormy, but bumpy ride last night. Currently we are coming around the edge of Cuba and heading to our first stop, which will be tomorrow in Roatan, Honduras. We have an exciting excursion ahead of us for when we get there. Should be a lot of fun, but today's the sea day. We just got done with the sea day brunch, which was always excellent, and we're looking forward to the rest of the day. We'll go tour the ship a little bit. It's been 25 years since we were on the Carnival Paradise. The room that we're in is G1, did not even exist. This whole floor is brand new as of a few years ago. So this did not even exist when we were on the ship 25 years ago. But for right now, this is our view out the front window. Not bad, not bad at all. And take a look around. Right now we are going around Cuba. We can't really see it, but it's turning into a relatively nice day. It was pretty cloudy and choppy earlier, but it's starting to get much better today. As I progress down here towards the putt-putt course, you'll be able to see that, but I also wanted to give you a quick sneak over here of the suites that are on deck 14. Now there's mostly regular normal balcony rooms that are on the side, both sides of the ship, about a dozen on each side, and they're basically a standard balcony, except they are considered suites. So you get the privilege of being in the suite and all the benefits that go along with that suite as well.